Now we are starting second part of the lesson number 23. Okay, so this is the B part of lesson 23. Oid wa ansakh wa iktab. Prepare, copy and write. Okay. Al or mother. Al-Jad or grandfather. Hub, seeds. Raf, rack. Qit, cat. Was goose or geese. Dub, bear. Duck, batta. Here fridge, thallaja. Bicycle, darraja. Spray, rashasha. Beep, zamara. Aeroplane, tayyara. Float or tube, awama. Lady farmer, fallaha. You all try to memorize. Unzur ilal sur. Look at the pictures. Wa antaq. Okay. Wa antaq. Kalma baad izafa. Al qablaha. Look at the picture and pronounce the word after addition al before. So same as you were in the last chapter, it was there. Iktib kalma, write the word al soban. See, they have the this example. They have given example with the al, because as I told you, when we want to make proper nouns, so we have to add al. Al-Soban, Al-Jadda, okay? Why? What is this? Ad-Deek. Understand? So everywhere you have to write with this. Understand? Here, Unzil il-Sur, Wantab Kalma. Look at the picture and pronounce the word. Iza kanat kalma tabda baha. Faktab ha fid daira. Understand? Ba with fa then. Okay? Then write the ha in the circle. Same thing is a kanat al kalma tabdan fi ba ha. Faktab, then write ha fid daira. If the word is starting with ha, then write ha in the circle. Here all these pictures are there, and just you see whatever you have to write. He has given example. Habar, ink is starting with ha. Okay? Or hudhud is starting with which ha you have to write here. Understand? So, Miao Sitta Orbain, this is the page. Next page. Takallum, speak. Maza Ashtari al-Kalb, word by Lil Kalb. Li means for, okay? For the dog. Ashtari Baitan. I bought his home. Limaza, for what or why? Litaskun fi, for living him. Understand? For his living. Li means for. Here, Maza Ashtarat Lil Samaka. What I buy for the fish? Ashtarat Al Haus. Haus means tub. Ishtarat. See, Ishtari, Ishtarat. Just you see the difference. Because of the girl, Ishtarat. Because of the boy, yeah, Ishtari. Limaza, for what? Litawama fihi. Litauma fihi, for floating it. Here, Maza Ishtari lil walad. Li means for. Okay? What buy for the boy? Ishtari daftara. Okay? Bought notebook. or register. Limaza for what? Liyursama asura al-warda, for drawing the picture of what? Varda means what called Varda? Generally Varda we says for the rose. Understand? Al-Varda, rose, or we can say Zahra, flower we say, Varda says for the rose, or we can say for the flower also. Maza ishtarat lil qut, what bought? For the qit, ishtarat tabqan. Ishtarat tabqan, I bought the plate. Limaza, why? Liyakula fihi, for eating it. Understand? Maza ishtarat lil bint, what bought for the girl. Understand? For the girl. Li means for. Ishtari kauban, cup or glass. Limaza for what? Lil asir fi, for her juice. Maza ishtarat lil jadd, what bought? For what? For the grandfather. Ishtari al-kitab, bought the book. Here, limaza, for what? Liyuqra fihi, for his reading. Miao Saba Arbain. This is the page number Miao Saba Arbain. The next page for this Uktub. This is the last page of this. Imla al-Faragh bikalma munasba. Fill in the blanks with the proper words. Okay? Faragh means blank. Bikalma, be with. As I told you, be is the with. Kalma, word. Munasba, proper. Imla, fill. Okay? These are three words. Laha, her, fihi, the, or for him, or for it, or for him. Understand? Lahu, for him. Ahmad yajlisu ma'al ammuhu. Ummuhu. Ahmad sitting with mother. Ma means mother. Hiya tuqra laha al-kitab. Understand? She is reading. She is reading. So she is reading book, his book. Understand? Or for him. Eh? So there is the mistake by mistake. I think in previous chapter I said this for him and this for her, this for him and this for her, but this is lam ha. This is the ha, plain ha is for him and lam ha for her. Okay? Sorry for that. Maybe you may be confused, but it is like this. Now you complete by yourself. I have write the meanings. This hazihi mikwa. This is the iron. Okay? Hazihi. Why? Because of the iron. Mikwa is the feminine noun or the female noun. Biha, her, bih, by, or fiha, with that. Understand? Takvi, amal, what will come? Takvi, amal, what will come here? You have to write. Ironing, amal, biha, or bih, bihi, or fiha. Fiha means her. Okay? So this, if the male noun is there, then the biha, female noun is there, then the fiha. Okay. Now you should fill this by yourself. Lahu, for him, for her, of which. Okay. Al-bintu tughni, the girl singing. Al-abu yarifu, what will come? Al-musiqi. What come here? So you write here. Understand? So we reached on page number 148. Understand?